All right, everybody. Normally I share just self-care stuff, but today is getting close to my birthday, or I'm posting this on my birthday, and I wanted to really give, I guess, support or initiative to making sure that we follow what our art is. We don't have to be professionals in what we do for our hobby or art or expression, but it's good to always try. It allows us to be more of who we are, and that can never be a bad thing. So, in this kind of light, I'm going to do my version of poetry, I guess, or spoken word, something like that. Something that I've always kind of wanted to do, been a little too shy, but kind of always working towards. It's always been a part of me, I guess, and so I'm finally deciding to do this. So I'm going to be reading it because I won't be able to memorize the whole thing. So here we go. Hopefully you enjoy and get some inspiration for kind of taking on your art more directly. All right, here we go. Mother Nature and Father Time. We weep for our children. How did we go so wrong? How could a father's silent but very lasting support and a mother's sweet song? How could we? How could we? How could we go so wrong? We gave them voice so they could love and share, but this quickly became hurt and lack of care. We were not always present, but we have been forever there. My children, stop fighting, open and air. Why use words to cage each other like trapped birds when you have dreams like wings that can make you fly? You are all unique. Just unite your mind and your heart. Take to the sky. Father Time, tear in eye. Mother Nature, lay your head on my chest. There's wisdom for all. Take rest. You are still children and are growing towards your best. But Father is right. Let the maturity of your heart lead the rest. You cannot hurt, steal, or oppress another without depriving, because you are all one of a kind. So your manners and values you must mind. This has been written from the dawn of time. So hopefully that was okay. It's just kind of fun putting these things together. There's definitely a moral lesson in there, as that's kind of my thing. I kind of just put it into words, I guess. So thank you very much for listening. Hopefully that hit some kind of emotional note. Think about it. There's stuff in there. There's some goodies in there. Thank you so much, and I appreciate you celebrating my birthday with me by listening to my art. And please post your art and tag me in it so that I'll be able to see your initiative as well. Thank you.